Nitrous might be considered the low buck throttle in a bottle, but that doesn't mean your engine bay has to look low buck. Sometimes you just want to show it off. So NOS engineered these super trick aluminum mounting brackets that provide you with a convenient and secure way to mount your nitrous and fuel solenoids. With a wide array of mounting options, you're sure to find a bracket that fits your needs. Whether you're just looking to mount a single solenoid or you're in the need of a bracket with multiple configurations, able to accommodate 2, 4, or even 8 solenoids, well, NOS can handle it. NOS carries easy to install brackets that accept small and large can solenoids. They come in straight and 90-degree designs that can be secured using a single stud or bolt. We also have a convenient LS cylinder head mounting bracket. It's an aluminum 90-degree mount designed to attach the solenoid to most any GM LS head. Our tried and true carburetor stud mount design cleans up your engine bay and allows you to keep your solenoids up and out of the way. We carry designs to fit both our 4150 and 4500 style carburetor flanges. We even carry carburetor stud mount brackets that have the throttle cable bracket and return spring bracket built in. They're available individually or in a kit form. If you run in multiple stages of nitrous or installing a wet system, be sure to pick up one of our carburetor mounting brackets. They bolt in between your 4150 carburetor and the intake manifold. There are provisions for mounting 1-inch small can style solenoids in the parallel slots, and the bigger 1 5/8 large can solenoids can be mounted in the radial slots. 3 different layouts allow you to mount up to 4 solenoids in a variety of locations. There is also a 4-corner design that's able to accommodate up to 8 solenoids. With all these options, you're sure to find a configuration to fit your needs. Each bracket is precision machined from 6061 aluminum for weight savings and superior strength. We then anodize and laser engrave them with the NOS logo for durability and corrosion protection. Make your ride look fast standing still with a nitrous solenoid bracket from NOS. Thanks for watching. For more information on our universal solenoid brackets and nitrous accessories, visit our website at nosnitrous.com.